Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Suboxy Creative Minds. And about today's video, it's about the beautiful clock making. Do watch the complete video to know how I made this clock in just 3 steps and yes, had a beautiful outcome of it. Hope you will enjoy the making of this clock, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, do subscribe and support. It means a lot to me to get encouraged and create more new such creations. Thank you and enjoy my new video. So let us start. I am using 12-inch MDF board which I have already painted with black color acrylic, and on the back side I have applied latex to avoid the drips. You can get it easily with the resin vendors. And now I am mixing resin with the pigment. I am using blue color pigment into the resin, as well as I will be mixing little bit of black to get some darkest shade of blue color. I will be mixing the colors separately, and then later on I'll add it into the one container and then pour on the base. Here I am adding clear stones in the pigment to fix on the side of the clock. In this way we'll get a light shade to our clear stones. And now on the other side of the clock I am fixing the gold leaf pieces. And this is the final look of our beautiful clock. Hope you enjoyed the making, and for more such videos do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Roman letters to the clock and then given a second pour.